All right, today we're going to learn how to paint a tornado.
So the question is, what is the Hudson River School?
All right, let's run through the colors.
Early red dark, twin red, Van Dyke brown, burnt sienna, raw sienna, primary yellow, aquamarine blue, twin blue, Mars black, titanium white, phthalo green.
All right, today we're going to do a painting of a tornado. Add some more detail to the clouds, and then I'll probably add some little lightning. There's a little lightning here. I don't know if I'm going to use it here or maybe out here a little bit off the tornado. As you don't know, tornadoes form its own lightning, so that's kind of how that works. And yeah, we'll see where it goes in the next layer.
So the Hudson River School was named after an art critic. It was disparaging, which all these names kind of get started, like Impressionism is kind of a cut down, or Cubism. And so a lot of these names are kind of always stick based on what an art critic says, and it just catches the public's eye. So they're called the Hudson River School because a lot of the paintings were focused around the Hudson River, kind of the wild landscapes of America before they were spoiled by, civilization. Had these settlements kept encroaching on nature, and pristine nature it became more and more harder to find. So this is basically, right at the realm of Romanticism in Europe and in America. So it's basically one of the North American schools of Romanticism. And that's the question of the day.
All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So this one has this really nice kind of choppy sky. It's pretty rough. I didn't blend probably as much as I should have. You got the rainfall. I kind of reinforced at the end to kind of make that look more like rain. We have the horizon. It's a little choppy. It's not perfectly straight. Maybe I should have taped that, but in the Midwest or where these tornadoes land, the horizon can be slightly uneven. There's rolling hills, etc. It has this nice brown path that kind of leads you into the tornado, as well as the sunlight hitting that green to have that yellow that kind of leads you to the center as well. So you have kind of two leading lines. You have obviously the tornado. This tornado isn't necessarily swirling like my other tornadoes, so doesn't have that juiciness of focal point. I think a tornado is a focal point, so I don't know if you necessarily need to do that. It's pretty good overall. I maybe should have added some more darks here and there to kind of make some of those clouds pop, but I wanted to kind of focus on the end going into the tornado and leave the rest of it kind of not as dark, as well as the light. And I want to have the pop on the tornado and right around the tornado, so that's the highlight of the painting. I think it's overall pretty good. Hopefully you guys like it. If you want to see the full video, check out my Patreon account. Hopefully you guys give it a like if you like it. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching.